Mitsubishi Galant 1992-98. A new Galant debuted in September 1992 at the Tokyo Motor Show, model year 1994 in the US, originally only available as a four-door sedan, which was the only model to be sold in the US. A five-door liftback derivative made its world premiere at the February 1993 Dutch Motor Show. A Japan-only hardtop derivative called the Japanese Emerald, French for Emerald, was also launched in 1992. The width dimensions of the model sold in Japan no longer complied with Japanese government dimension regulations, and buyers were now liable for additional taxes, which affected sales. This generation marked a substantial change in suspension design. The front switched from struts to a multi-link structure featuring two lower arms and one upper arm. The rear switched from a beam axle to a newly designed multi-link system. This was the world's first four-wheel multi-link suspension in an FF car. Both designs would carry over to the second-generation Mitsubishi Eclipse and its sister vehicles. For 1992, the emergence of the homologated Lancer Evolution meant that the top-spec Galant VR4 was no longer constrained by sporting regulations. The new generation thus became a less overtly competition-oriented vehicle. The existing, proven 4WD transmission was carried over, in keeping with Mitsubishi's reputation for performance-enhancing technology, but the old inline 4 was superseded by a smoother twin-turbo 2.0-liter V6, and mated either to a conventional 5-speed manual, or a 4-speed Invix Auto complete with fuzzy logic, which allowed the transmission to adapt to the driver's style and road conditions on the fly. It was capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour, in about. Production in the United States began on May 24, 1994 when the first 7th-generation Galant rolled off the assembly line in Normal, Illinois. In 1995, a slightly upgraded GS version was available with a 160 horsepower, 119 kilowatts, twin-cam engine, speed-sensitive steering, rear stabilizer bar, and an available manual transmission. In Europe were also available 170 PS, 125 kilowatts, 168 horsepower, naturally aspirated 2.5 liters 24-valve Dodge engine, which was mounted with 4-wheel drive, 5-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel steering. Body styles were 4-door sedan and 5-door hatchback. Rear differential was not available with limited slip. In option were sunroof, AC, cruise control, power windows, central locking, electrical heated seats and electrical side mirrors.